Right, let's solve this simple physics question. A force of 200 Newton is pulling a box of mass 30 kg across a rough level floor where coefficient of kinetic friction is what, 0.6. Find the acceleration of the box. What do we do? The first thing, the first thing to do is for you to sketch the box. This is the box. The box is here. And this force, 200 Newton, is applied to pull the box. It means that the acceleration is going toward that side. So the acceleration is A that we are looking for. The acceleration. So the normal reaction, remember this is 30 kg the box. So normal reaction is what? R. The weight of the box is coming down, W, which is what? M multiplied by G. So for this question, I'm going to use my G to be what? 10 meter per second square. So here my weight become 30 multiplied by 10. We have what? That will give us 300 Newton. Then while applying this force, there is a force that opposing the force, which is the frictional force. So we have this. Since it is moving, so it means that we are going to have what? Kinetic frictional force, because the body is moving. So we put it here. If subscript K. Remember, this surface is a rough surface, so you can put something like this to specify that is what? It is a rough surface. All right, so what next? So we are going to find the total, we are going to find the net force on the horizontal axis. Net force, net force. So on the horizontal axis, I'm using this. X represent the horizontal axis. So I'm going to use this. This is what I'm using. My Cartesian plane, this is my Y. This is what? My X. So it means that going to this side is positive. This is positive. Downward is what? Negative. Here now, coming to this side is what? Negative. All right, let's go. So for the horizontal part, resolving horizontally, this is the 200, which is going to this side. This is what? The positive side, that is 200. Then this one is coming to the negative side. This is it. So minus F subscript K. Then remember that net force here means F equals to M, that is net force from Newton's law. So we have M AX, that acceleration on the horizontal axis. So we now have that 200 minus Fk equals to, what is your M? Your M is 30 multiplied by S subscript X. But also recall that your Fk equals to what? Coefficient of kinetic friction multiplied by what? R. So in this case, your R equals to look at here, R equals to the weight, which is what? 300 Newton. So now our coefficient of kinetic friction was given to be what? 0.6. So F of K is what? 0.6 multiplied by 300. 0.6 multiplied by 300. 0.6 times 300. We have 180 Newton. So our Fk is 180 Newton. So we now have that 200 minus 180 equals to 30 AX. So subtract this, we have 20 equals to 30 AX. So therefore AX equals to 20 divided by 30. So divide this one will go with this. 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3, we have 0.67 meter per second square. That is the answer.